Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing good. Sorry, it's been a long time. I didn't record any English videos. Today I'm gonna record it in English and show you how to do facial on your own, step by step, and what products that I'm using. So keep on watching and let's go started. Of course, before you get started, you need to make sure there's nothing on your skin, no foundation, no sunblock, nothing. So please make sure your skin is clean so that way you get the best result. Right now, I'm going to wash my face and come back. First, I'm gonna start with the cleanser. Here I have this cleanser from Face Reality. I'm gonna put some on my hands like that. And start rubbing it. Here I have this bowl and it has two sponges and water. It's supposed to be warm water. I'm gonna clean the cleanser. Start from here. After I clean my face from cleanser, now I'm gonna go to exfoliate my skin and I'm using this Face Reality exfoliate bottle. Same thing, I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger. Now I'm gonna start exfoliating. Now I'm gonna clean it with these two sponges with the warm water. After exfoliating, I'm using mask. You need to make sure it's dry. Now I'm moving to the mask. I'm using this mask from Face Reality. I'm using this rubber brush and I'm gonna put a small amount on it. And start applying it on your skin. You need to keep this mask on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I cleaned my face from mask. I need to make sure it's dry. Here I have this serum. It's 3 of Life Vitamin C serum. You just need to put 3 drops like this. And you try to massage it all over your face. After serum, I'm using this eye gel vitamin C. I'm gonna use just 2 drops on each eye. And you start massage it like that. And last but not least, here I have this moisturizer. It also has vitamin C, like that, and put it all over my face and start massaging it like that. And now, after all that, I hope you guys like it and enjoy it and learn how to do facial on your own. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comment below what do I do in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.